That's the one that you ordered in. Don't they put a orange in it? Which I didn't like. Isn't that the one that they put the orange in? Yeah, I don't like that. I'm like, don't get the orange out of my beer.
I actually like the orange. I just had it.
They have it